twinkling toy shop at midnight. Little robot Zip's eyes glow red. Something's rattling inside the giant gift box. Zip whispers, "Who's there?" A fluffy pink bunny, Bo, pops out, trembling. "I'm lost." Suddenly, the shop lights flicker off. Click! Total darkness. Bo's ears glow like lanterns. "Follow me." They tiptoe past sleeping dolls. Creak! The floorboard squeaks. A shadow stretches tall. It's just a rocking horse yawning. Zip giggles. Phew! Bo spots a tiny door. My burrow! But it's locked. Click! Zip's chest opens. Bing! A shiny key. Door swings. Poof! A tunnel of candy canes. They zoom down, laughing. Thump! Into Bo's cozy burrow. Zip hugs Bo. Best adventure! Lights twinkle. Wait! Whose bell just jingled outside? Bo winks. Tomorrow's mystery. Fade to sparkles.